good evening teman-teman.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Okay, so for this section, we would like to discuss about which English accent would you choose to use when you are teaching in a classroom, and please give the reason why, and also you can add the characteristic of the accent that you choose. Maybe from Ajeng, you can say your opinion.
Okay, in my opinion, for teaching, I will use neutral American accent. The reason is because it widely used in movies, songs, YouTube or YouTube video or many learning resources. Uh, and for the characteristic, first is friendly and approachable, so students feel comfortable asking questions. And for the second characteristic, maybe patient, because every student learns at a different place. And for the third is creative. Uh, for example, by using games, video, songs, and role plays in class. And I think for next is supportive. Uh, for example, by giving positive feedback instead of only correcting mistakes. And for the last, I think this discipline, so students still respect classroom rules and learning objective. For okay, I think
Okay,
that's all
that's
from
all.
me. Yes.
Okay, maybe Brina, you can say your opinion about it.
Thank you, Kiki. If I become an English teacher, I think I will choose an American accent as the main accent in my classroom. Why American? Because it's not about like American accent is more important, more better or more important than British accent, because both accent are equally correct, because English is an international language. But as a teacher, I have to think about what is the most effective for my students. Jadi kayak bukan cuman apa yang aku suka. Uh, I prefer using one accent consistently, because especially for beginners, like students need consistent language input. Jadi kalau misal hari ini aku ngajar American English, then the next week I suddenly use like British English without any explanation, they might get confused gitu. So it's not only about the pronunciation, some vocabulary is also different gitu. From British and American have like, it's actually in Indonesia they have like similar meaning, but in their vocabulary it's different. Like in American English, they say like apartment, but in British English they were like saying flat. And another example is like American people say elevator, but while British people usually say lift. Jadi kalau uh, often to mix without explanation, student might think like uh, where is like di mana yang benar gitu, mana yang benar gitu. So that's why I prefer introducing one variety first. After they have like a strong foundation about English, so I will explain that English has many varieties such as a British, Australian, Singaporean English gitu. So they will know that all that is was true. Uh, hanya berbeda tergantung hanya berbeda tergantung negara dan konteksnya. So yeah, I want to teach using the accent that I can produce naturally. Gitu, just thank you.
Yeah,
And how
so
about Kiki?
I also I do agree with you guys because I think American English is like the accent that I am familiar with because in my school also when I was in junior high school or in senior high school, most of the learning material, I think, use American English. So I think I more have experience using American English. So I think I prefer using American accent in teaching English when later, when I'm being a teacher. And also, uh, because I think the American English itself also maybe have like clear pronunciation, such as the R sounds is like so clear. So maybe it easier for students to understand when people or when someone talk in English or in American English. And actually, it is not like sebetulnya bukan sebuah kewajiban kalau misalkan kita menggunakan American accent. Ketika kita menggunakan Indonesian accent pun it is okay because accent it doesn't matter. The matter is how the message can deliver um, dengan baik ketika di kelas. But because here, maybe we have a lot more experience in American accent, maybe we are prefer to use American accent. Wait, what do you guys think?
Yes, I agree about your opinion.
Yeah.
Apa ya? Kan the goal of learning English itu kan buat communication ya, not imitation gitu. Jadi aku juga nggak expect kalau studentsku tuh bakal sound exactly like Americans, but the more important is they can communicate confidently, and then their pronunciation is understandable, and they're not afraid to speak English.
Okay. Maybe Ajeng, do you have any or something that you want to say before we end our discussion?
Yes, in my additional opinion, I think American English is more familiar to Indonesian students. In social media also often use American accent, and I think American accent is easier for them to recognize and understand. Okay.
Okay, thank you guys for the discussion. See you next time.
See
Thank you juga
you.
semuanya. See you.